बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं हमारा चैनल क्वालिफाई एजुकेशन एकेडमी। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि लेक्चरर एजुकेशन की तैयारी के हवाले से हम कैप्सूल एजुकेशन बाय राय मनसब अली की बुक को समझ कर स्टडी कर रहे हैं। एक चैप्टर मुकम्मल हो चुका है जिसकी वीडियोस हमारे चैनल पर मौजूद हैं। आज हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं इस बुक का सेकंड चैप्टर। इस वीडियो में हम फर्स्ट हाफ मुकम्मल करेंगे और अगली आने वाली वीडियो में इस चैप्टर का सेकंड हाफ मुकम्मल कर लिया जाएगा इंशाअल्लाह। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि हमारी तमाम वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिले और आप किसी भी वीडियो को मिस ना कर सकें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। The concept of mental age as introduced by Binet is a helpful technique in the interpretation of raw test scores. In order to facilitate the estimating of the rate of mental development of any one individual, the ratio between mental age and chronological age can be determined and reported as the intelligence quotient or IQ. IQ जो है इसको इंटेलिजेंस क्वोशिएंट कहा जाता है और इसका फॉर्मूला स्टर्न ने दिया था MA/CA, जिसमें MA/CA मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 100, जिसमें MA मेंटल एज है, CA क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज है और उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है 100 से। The intelligence quotient as a measure of estimating the degree of mental development has great values if it is interpreted wisely as one indication of a learner's probable future success in learning. The intelligence quotient as a measure of prediction is most useful during the middle and upper grades of elementary school and high school years. As an individual approach maturity, the value of the intelligence quotient chronological age to accept and as indicative of maturity. Many psychologists use 16 as the age of assumed maturity. There is no assurance as yet that this age is correct. यानी जरूरी नहीं है कि 16 की एज पे कोई भी जो इंडिविजुअल है वो मेच्योर हो जाए। There is some disagreement among school people concerning the extent to which the mental ability of an individual should be considered in an evaluation of achievement in learning materials suited to his mental level. What may be considered to be qualities which all individuals possess in varying degrees? Aptitude जो है, एप्टीट्यूड की जो क्वालिटी है ये हर इंडिविजुअल में वेरी करती है। हर एक में एक जैसी जो है वो इसकी सेम सूरत हाल नहीं होती, हर एक में एप्टीट्यूड डिफरेंट होता है। एप्टीट्यूड इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक और अ क्वालिटी विच इज वन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एन individual's whole personality. The basic qualification for admission in a medical college is FSC. Fatima Jinnah Medical College is situated in Lahore. The industrial progress of a country requires engineering education. The duration of bachelor degree of engineering education is 4 years. Civil, electrical and mechanical faculties are concerned with engineering education. Which of the following feature is not concerned with physical artistic approach? The College of Education are concerned with teacher training. Which tests do not directly measure future accomplishment and measure present performance? Aptitude. As per Islam, the experimental knowledge is relative. Which of the following is significant in comprehension of human life, philosophy and procedure of philosophy? Developing proper and adequate understanding between the member of the evaluation team and the acquisition of expertise in the administration and implementation of the processes of evaluation is a crucial stage. Evaluation instrument design, process, skills essential to institutional evaluation all require participation of the evaluators in purpose design programs. The Vice Chancellor shall be appointed by the Chancellor. When University Grant Commission, a federal level body, was established in Islamabad, 1974. यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन जो है इसका नया नाम HEC है, हायर एजुकेशन कमीशन, जो कि 2002 में इसको जो है वो HEC का नाम दिया गया था। The teacher training institution were improved both in terms of equipment and staff. When the federal funding of the universities was introduced and the recurring budget is also allocated to the universities from the federal budget of education 1982. In any situation in school or out of school where competence is required, social understanding, emotional stability and drives to action and other personal factors are as significant to successful achievement as in degree of mental ability. A consideration of mental measurement should develop an attitude of fair-minded appreciation of its value. Many tests have been devised to measure manual dexterity and mechanical aptitude. The hereditary differences are also called inborn differences. Observable difference among the individual of all ages in ability to meet challenging situations are recognized by parents, teachers, employers, other adults, and even children. On the basis of past performance, a person is requested or permitted to assume certain responsibilities or he is denied participation in a particular activity. A balanced society can be established by means of education. The increased interest among educational and occupational leaders in a field of aptitude discovery is indicative of the recognized need of trying to place the right person in the right job. A battery of tests known as the pre-engineering inventory consists of a comprehensive list of objective tests intended to measure ability for the study of engineering. In the past, it was assumed that everyone who appeared unable to respond as others did, especially a child, was said to be feeble-minded. Differences among learners were recognized, but such differences were ascribed more often than not to laziness or unwillingness to learn. Competence in any area depends upon interest in the activity and needed skills and information, but more than these is needed the potential ability to acquire satisfactory degree of competence. Learning in any area or on any level is conditioned by the learner's readiness to learn. Many characteristics or traits are general for various specific field of activities. Some progress has been made in the construction and use of measuring techniques aimed at the discovery of aptitude. In order to make education useful for all the children, the aptitude of the students must be honored. All students should not be treated as possessing equal abilities. Their abilities should be given importance. The fact that intelligence is a concept rather than a power or a thing that can be observed caused difficulty when a definition of it is attempted. University of Bologna was the first higher learning institute established in the Western world in 1088. The term university was coined at its creation. University of Bologna was located in Bologna, Italy. This university led the Western world in educational innovation until the period between the two world wars. University of Paris' exact founding is unclear. However, teaching from this university existed since 1096. The university was reorganized as 13 autonomous universities in 1970. In 2006, Spain commemorated the 600th anniversary of the death of Ibn Khaldun. According to Spearman, an English statistician, intelligence consists of general ability that works in conjunction with special ability. स्पीयरमैन ने टू फैक्टर थ्योरी दी थी. Language tests such as those commonly used in attempts as measuring the intelligence of the children deal mainly with abstract intelligence. Give me a child and I will move him as you desire. This was said by Watson. An individual is the product of interaction between heredity and environment. The surrounding of the individual are called his environment. The unhealthy environment can suppress but cannot extinguish. What are the three components of the educational process? Teacher, student, and education. What is teaching through deductive method from general to specific? ये हम पिछले चैप्टर में भी पढ़ चुके हैं. इंडक्टिव और डिडक्टिव दो तरह के मेथड्स होते हैं. इंडक्टिव में हम स्पेसिफिक टू जनरल मूव करते हैं और डिडक्टिव में हम जनरल टू स्पेसिफिक. What is the main center of informal education? Society, family, radio and television. Informal education वो होती है जो कि बाकायदा किसी इंस्टीट्यूट के और रिजिड रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस के थ्रू नहीं होती है, और जैसा जो डिस्टेंस लर्निंग प्रोग्राम वगैरह है वो सारे इनफॉर्मल एजुकेशन का हिस्सा हैं. Which is the first school for a child's education family. Student can design a laboratory according to certain specifications in which category of objectives synthesis. The number of domains in taxonomies of educational objective is 3 और वो 3 कौन कौन सी हैं जो एक है cognitive domain है, second one is psychomotor and third one is affective domain. The highest level of cognitive domain is evaluation. The lowest level of learning in cognitive domain is knowledge. Studies of the environmental conditions to which children are exposed yield data concerning the behavior of children that have predictive value for research studies in child development. It probably is an indisputable fact that the best measure of an individual's success in learning is his ability to apply what he has learned to actual life situation. To use previous learned material in new situation is application. ये भी cognitive domain का ही हिस्सा है application. Knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis and evaluation, ये 6 parts होते हैं cognitive domain के. To break down material into component part to know its organizational structure is analysis. The intellectual skills are reflected by cognitive domain, क्योंकि cognitive domain का जो ताल्लुक है ये ज़्यादा mind से होता है. The influences that are present in the home, the school and the community constitutes educational media that may stimulate or retard desirable development. Attitudes, values and interests are reflected by affective domain, which domain is concerned with physical and motor skills, psychomotor domain. The focus of cognitive domain is intellectual skills. Affective domain is divided into 5 subgroups. The lowest level of learning in affective domain is attending, which is placed at the highest level of learning in affective domain. Characterization, which is vast in scope. Teaching strategy, students find, explore the informations themselves in discovery method. Teacher perform practically and explains in demonstration method. Demonstration method में teacher perform करता है और explain करता है, at a time perform और explain करता है. Micro teacher has a motivational technique. What is the time of presentation in micro teaching? 5 to 10 minutes. Micro teaching started in 1960. The behavior and conduct of the teacher is a role model for the students. It is obligatory to the teachers that they should work for the achievement of national objectives, pay attention to education for the students, take steps for obtaining higher goals. What is the most important work of teacher? To organize teaching work. A teacher should be diligent, dutiful and punctual. Environmental education should be taught in school because it is an important part of life. Who is an ideal teacher? Who is a friend, philosopher and guide. At primary level, it is better to teach in mother language because it helps children in learning in natural atmosphere. Women are better teachers at primary level because they behave more patiently with children. A time-bound testing program for a student should be implemented in school so that the remedial program can be adopted on the basis of the feedback from the results. A student comes late in your class, then you will try to know the reason. When the students become failed, it can be understood that the individual student's failure. It is advantage of giving homework that student may develop habit of self-study. कि homework का मकसद self-study को develop करना होता है. The essential element of the syllabus for the children remain out of school should be vocational competencies. The priority to girls' education should be given because only girls are capable of leading for social change. Low literary rate badly influences social, economic and political development of any country. The important tool for the development of women education in Pakistan is to establish more and more educational institutions. The cause of illiterate people in Pakistan is growth in population. Which class considered education as an investment? Poor class. पुअर क्लास जो है, पुअर क्लास के जो लोग हैं वो एजुकेशन को एज ए इन्वेस्टमेंट कंसीडर करते हैं कि आज अगर हम एजुकेशन लेंगे तो कल को ये हमें पे बैक करेगी. In education point of view, Pakistan is developed country. Which country is the lead of Pakistan in education? Sri Lanka. As per human development, Pakistan stands at the 137th place. In Pakistan, the ratio of poor people is 56 million. Who is responsible for the upbringing of children? Parents. Which factor darkens the future of the students? Wrong educational policies, political instability, negative social attitudes. The dropout ratio in the elementary schools is 50%. The education center for a child is home. State economy becomes better through social harmony. The curriculum of Pakistan is most by not relevant to rural areas. Discipline problems are occur during waiting. Current literacy rate in Pakistan is 56.2%, लेकिन अब ये 63% हो चुका है. The rural literary पंजाब का 63% है और ओवरऑल पाकिस्तान का 56.2 है. The rural literary rate according to 2000 to 2011 survey has increased 103%. Urban literary rate currently stands at 72.3%. Education in Pakistan is divided in 5 levels. Which city is known for highest literary rate? Islamabad. Literacy rate. Islamabad. Pakistan in education ranking at 6th in the SAARC region. जो सार्क कंट्रीज हैं उनमें छठे नंबर पे है पाकिस्तान एजुकेशन के हिसाब से. मोस्ट लेटर्ड प्रोविंसेस ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज खैबर पख्तूनख्वा. लीस्ट लेटर्ड प्रोविंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज सिंध. According to Education Policy 2009, literacy target is 86%. Apna Ghar project is meant for poor students. Which article of Constitution obligates the state to provide free and compulsory quality education? 25A. Age of children for compulsory quality education is 5 to 16. Pakistan's rank in English language speaking country is 9th in the world. Danish School was established by Shehbaz Sharif गवर्नमेंट इन पंजाब और पहला जो दानिश स्कूल है ये 2010 में हासिलपुर में इस्टेब्लिश किया गया था. विच परसेंटेज अटेंड्स प्राइवेट स्कूल्स? 42%. द फर्स्ट दानिश स्कूल वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड एट हासिलपुर in 2010. Among the list of overpopulated countries, Pakistan falls in the 6th number. According to the present birth rate, the population of Pakistan will increase 20 years to double. According to the sharing statistics of 2004, here are 50 million illiterate in Pakistan. According to the largest class of Pakistan is deprived class, who considers education as an investment. Rich class, only those nations are superior over other nations who are leaders in the field of education. Low literacy rate decreases to social development, economic development, political development. Which behavior can be evidenced in a great many different ways, depending upon the situation in which a person finds himself. Intelligence behavior. Which is ideological foundation of education? Philosophy. The purpose of education is to make an individual aware of the cosmic power in him and enable him to draw this out to lead a successful life. Education is a social process that enables an individual to lead a balanced life in the society in the light of human academic heritage. Education is the activity of development of a human mind and character in the light of national ideology and collective consciousness so that a sound and stable society may come into existence. What is the social process by which encompasses all aspects of human development? Education. Who said education is a process of development of the mind and body of man so that he or she eagerly pursues the ideal perfection of citizenship? Plato. Who said education is a process of training man to fulfill his aims by exercising all the faculties of the fullest to the fullest extent as a member of society. This aim is discovered by intellect and by his free will. Aristotle. Who said education is an endeavor for the making of better people, better nation, and consequently a better humanity? Benjamin Rush. Who said education refers to instruct and improve minds and to perfect the youth so as to ensure the welfare and prosperity of the society? Samuel Knox. Who said education is a process of formation of the highest moral character of the individual through many side interests? Frederick Herbert. The most important element of education system is aim of education. When a child fails, it means the system has failed. The emphasis from teaching to learning can be shifted by adopting child-centered pedagogy. Inclusive education celebrates diversity in the classroom. Which of the following is a feature of progressive education? Frequent test and examination. और ये जो प्रोग्रेसिव एजुकेशन है ये W.D. Boyce ने इंट्रोड्यूस करवाई थी. A child has been admitted to your school who belongs to a backward family or background from the cultural viewpoint. You will keep him in a normal class but will make special arrangements for teaching him, keeping his special needs in view. Critical pedagogy firmly believes that the experiences and perceptions of learner are important. और ये पालो फ्रेरी ने दी थी, क्रिटिकल पेडागोजी का कॉन्सेप्ट पालो फ्रेरी ने दिया था. A teacher, after preparing a question paper, checks whether the question test specific testing objective. He is concerned primarily about the question paper's content coverage. School-based assessment is primarily based on the principle that teachers know their learner capabilities better than external examiners. Learners display individual difference, so a teacher should provide a variety of learning experiences. Which of the following is a principle of development? It does not proceed at the same pace for all. Human development is divided into domains such as psychological, cognitive, emotional, and physical. A teacher uses a text and some pictures of fruits and vegetables and holds a discussion with her students that the students link the detail with their previous knowledge and learn the concept of nutrition. This approach is based on construction of knowledge. A child starts to cry when his grandmother takes him from his mother's lap. The child cries due to separation and anxiety. One way of finding out what is going on in the classroom is observation. When, what, why, and how to teach is the main task of educational psychology. The forces that affect the development of curriculum are called foundation of curriculum. Philosophy and curriculum are concerned with the question of what is the purpose of life. Philosophical foundation of curriculum is concerned with ideas. Student need and interest are important in psychological foundation. Sociological foundations are concerned with society. Subject-centered design revolve around content. Nature of elements of curriculum and pattern of their organization is curriculum design. A framework of action for preparing a curriculum is curriculum design. Knowledge is compartmentalized in subject-centered curriculum. Prior planning is characteristic of subject-centered curriculum. Explanatory methods are used in subject-centered curriculum. Broad-field curriculum is a modification of subject-centered curriculum. Rote learning is a demerit of subject-centered curriculum. Rote learning, रटा लगाना. Teacher training is less emphasized in subject-centered curriculum. इसमें टीचर जो है सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट का कंटेंट पढ़ाता है और उसके लिए उसे खास किस्म की ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत नहीं होती. करिकुलम बेस्ड ऑन थिंकिंग ऑफ जॉन डेवी इज एक्टिविटी सेंटर्ड करिकुलम. जॉन डेवी ने प्रोग्रेसिविज्म की जो फिलॉसफी है एजुकेशन की वो इंट्रोड्यूस करवाई थी और उसके मुताबिक जो करिकुलम है वो एक्टिविटी सेंटर्ड होना चाहिए. करिकुलम एम्फेसाइज क्योंकि जॉन डेवी के मुताबिक बच्चे जो है उनके लिए लर्निंग किसी भी काम को प्रैक्टिकली करने से होती है, तो इसलिए उसने एक्टिविटी जो सेंटर्ड करिकुलम है उस पर फोकस किया था। करिकुलम एम्फेसाइज फॉर प्राइमरी क्लासेस इज इंटीग्रेटेड करिकुलम। The purpose of integrated curriculum is decrease the number of books. The relationship of different concepts at one level is horizontal organization. Making value judgment about curriculum is curriculum evaluation. Value judgment जहाँ पे भी आ जाएगा वो evaluation को show करेगा. While evaluation in certain very critical area could be undertaken more frequently, the total evaluation could be undertaken once in 2 or 3 years depending on the pace of development. The most important component of lesson plan is objectives. To select subject matter, one should consider student IQ. The implementer for curriculum is educational institution. The source of achieving an objective is action. In teaching, experienced members guide the immature ones for adjustment of life. What is the goal of teaching? Desirable change in behavior. The rules of presenting the contents to make them easy are called maxims of teaching. Students are passive in lecture method. Symposium is a type of discussion method. Symposium उर्दू में इसको मुबाहसा कहा जाता है, तो ये डिस्कशन मेथड की एक टाइप है। ह्यूरिस्टिक मेथड टू इन्वेस्टिगेट। ह्यूरिस्टिक मेथड जो है इन्वेस्टिगेट करने का मेथड है, ये मेथड का नाम है ह्यूरिस्टिक मेथड और ये इसका मतलब है टू इन्वेस्टिगेट। Armstrong was the exponent of heuristic method. Activity involves physical and mental action. We move from specific to general in inductive method. Practice is made in drill method. The Socratic method is known as question answer method और यही जो Socratic method है इसको dialectic method भी कहा जाता है। Duration of lessons in macro lesson plan is 35 to 45 minutes. In British approach of lesson planning, more emphasis is on teacher and content presentation. In American approach emphasizes learning objectives. Which one is not the type of lesson plan on the basis of objectives? Micro lesson plan. Cooperative learning is an alternative to competitive models. The hypothesis underlying team teaching is the best teachers in schools are shared by more students. Example of psychomotor domain is that students perform an experiment. Ability to develop a lifestyle based upon the preferred value system is characterizing. Example of cognitive domain is to describe a topic. What is called education acquired without any specific purpose, fixed period and place, informal education. Which one of the following sentences is correct about the nature of teaching? All the above statements are correct. इसमें जो कि ये वन लाइनर है उसमें कुछ ऑप्शंस दी हुई होंगी तो उसके मुताबिक इन्होंने आंसर किया हुआ है कि तमाम जो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं ये करेक्ट हैं। What are the compulsory element of learning? Tendency to know. What is the place of principal in an educational institute? Manager of the school. If a student failed in any class, what should be done to him? He should be given a chance to improve and sent to the next class after he improves. Why are curriculum activities used in teaching? To assist the teacher. Every step of personality development is creative. So varied were the concepts of intelligence as these were started by psychologists working in this field that a symposium was held in 1921 as an attempt to reach agreement concerning what intelligence really is. The elements or actions that are evidences of learning ability includes facility in the use of numbers, language efficiency, speed of perception, facility in memorizing, facility in comprehending relations and imagination. Development causes different changes, both positive and negative. Maturation refers to the stage of the development when an organism starts performing instinctive functions. University Grant Commission UGC established in 1974. The Higher Education Commission of Pakistan is an independent, autonomous and constitutionally established institution of primary funding, overseeing regulating and accrediting the higher education efforts in Pakistan. Preceded by the University Grant Commission UGC in 2002 by a constitutional amendment, the universities were formally accredited by the UGC established in 1974. The institution was revised 1974 and came into modern form in 2002 with additional executive reforms granted by the constitution. Title of Al-Ghazali was Hujjatul Islam. Al-Ghazali was born in Tos, Persia, Great Seljuk Empire in 1058. Al-Ghazali died on December 19, Tetra 1 at age of 53. Abu Hamid Muhammad ibn Muhammad Al-Ghazali, known as Al-Ghazali or Al-Ghazal to the Western medieval world, was a Muslim theologian, jurist, philosopher, and mystic of Persian descent. Al-Ghazali has sometimes been referred to by historians as the single most influential. Works of Al-Ghazali were so highly acclaimed by his contemporaries that Al-Ghazali was awarded the honorific title of Proof of Islam, Hujjatul Islam. Al-Ghazali wrote most of the works in Arabic and few in Persian. His most important Persian work is Kimya-e Saadat, The Alchemy of Happiness. Ibn Khaldun was born on 27 May 1332 AD, 732 AH in Tunis. Ibn Khaldun died on 19 March 1406 AD, 808 AH in Cairo. Notable ideas of Asabiya is associated with Ibn Khaldun. Ibn Khaldun's full name was Abu Hamid Abu Rahman bin Muhammad bin Khaldun. Ibn Khaldun was an Arab Muslim historiographer and historian, regarded to be among the founding fathers of modern historiography, sociology, and economics. Ibn Khaldun is best known for his book The Muqaddimah, known as Prolegomena in Greek. The book influenced 17th century Ottoman historians like Haji Khalifa and Mustafa Naima, who used the theories in the book to analyze the growth and decline of the Ottoman Empire. 19th century European scholars also acknowledged the significance of the book Muqaddimah and considered Ibn Khaldun as one of the greatest philosophers to come out of the Muslim world. Though education is a provincial subject, but overall guidelines are provided by the federal government, which board used to examine and approve schemes sponsored by the provincial government and central ministers, development board of the central government. Horace Mann is considered to be father of American education. Grade Fernald developed a multi-sensory approach to learning. Hans Werner applied neurology to the field of education. A large part of our knowledge consists of sensations. With help of sensations, materials and non-material knowledge is obtained. Scientific and technical knowledge is obtained through experience and observation. The superiority of Adam over the angels is due to education. Importance of education was described in the first revelation. The foundation stone of the Islamic education is the word Iqra. The organized attempt of acquisition and expansion of the knowledge is education. Revelation is the most authentic source of knowledge. Philosophy is the ideological foundation of education. The procedure of philosophy is based on rational thoughts. In which non-random sampling technique does the researcher ask the research participants to identify other potential research participants? स्नोबॉल सैम्पलिंग, ये सैम्पलिंग की जो है वो एक किस्म है स्नोबॉल सैम्पलिंग, जिसमें एक रिसर्चर फिर मजीद आगे कुछ और रिसर्चर्स को जो है वो शामिल करता है. इसको हम स्नोबॉल सैम्पलिंग कहते हैं. एक पार्टिसिपेंट जो है रिसर्च का एक पार्टिसिपेंट मजीद कुछ और पार्टिसिपेंट्स को इसमें ऐड करता है. Realism rests on the ideas of Aristotle. Idealism rests on the ideas of Plato. Pragma means practical. An extended response type of essay question permits a student to demonstrate his ability to recall factual knowledge, evaluate his factual knowledge, and organize his ideas. Questions that allow students to present their ideas in a coherent and logical way are called extended response questions. Questions that allow students to restrict the form and scope of his answers are called restricted response questions. The word discipline is derived from Latin, who said discipline most simply stated in the business of enforcing simple classroom rules that facilitate learning and minimize disruption. Jones. Braille is a tactile writing system used by the blind and the visually impaired. Assessment is a conduct by which a teacher assesses the level of understanding, interest, and attention of the children. Scientific knowledge is restricted to the material world. What is institution? What is intuition? What is intuition? Is a transcendental knowledge, give rise to many ideologies, a useful source of knowledge. Ontology is concerned with the mutual relationship among God, man, and universe. Measurement is a quantitative and standardized aspect of evaluation. Education is a process of acquaintance with realities. The practical aspect of philosophy is education. Philosophy studies life as a whole. As per Islam, the experimental knowledge is relative. New conditions and technology can change and increase the experimental knowledge. Sensory data is interpreted by reason. Islamic education system regards revelation as the absolute source of knowledge. Sensory data is interpreted by reason. Islamic education system regards revelation as the absolute source of knowledge. Okay, next one is how we can determine the objectives of education, social needs, philosophical thoughts, and moral values. Psychology is the study of human nature, mind, and behavior. Exceptional children cannot be schooled with the normal children. Educational psychology helps in improving the learning process, improving the performance of low paced children, handling the difficulties of the educative process. Curriculum is all the experiences a pupil has under the guidance of the school. According to R. Doll, curriculum embodies all the experiences which are offered to learners under the auspices or directions of the school. Education is the continuous process of change. It includes all those activities that make an individual to become a useful member of the society. Education provides its services in the transmission of the human heritage from one generation to another. In fact, change in the basic element of the process of education, this very element is the key to progress of individual and society. Education is the constant process of developing the inner abilities of individuals. The term education is also connected with the Latin e meaning out and ducer means to lead out. Education experts relate the word education with the Latin rooted word educare or educer, mean propulsion, development from the internal to the external. The Latin term means to educate through a change brought about by practice. It implies change for the betterment in the individual. Philosophy and procedure of philosophy is significant in comprehension of human life. Philosophy provides basic truth to educative process. Philosophy is the theoretical aspect of education. Education is a process of development of the self, social agreeableness, transmission of cultural heritage. The purpose of education is to make an individual aware of the cosmic power in him and enable him to draw this out to lead a successful life. Education is a social process that enables an individual to lead a balanced life in the society in the light of human academic heritage. Education is the activity of development of human mind and character in the light of national ideology and collective consciousness so that a sound and stable society may come into existence. Education is a formal process that aims at development of the faculties of the individual so that they may utilize the available resources scattered around them. Education is a process of change in human character, attitude, and potentials that lift man from the animal level to the human level and thereby paves the way to human welfare. Education is a social activity that aims at the development of human faculty so that the purpose of individual and group growth can be achieved. Education is a process change in which an individual is equipped with the human, academic, and cultural heritage for the purpose of stable and successful individual and group life. Froebel said education is a process of preparation for making life pleasant and acquaintance with right principle of life. Eugene said education is the activity of instructing humanity to the individuals. J.S. Mill said education refers to the acquisition of excellence and transmission to the next generation. Who said education is a process of development of child's individuality in the natural environment? रूसो रूसो ने नेचुरलिज्म की फिलोसफी भी पेश की थी. Pistology said education is the activity of integrated and gradual development of individuals' abilities. Comenius said education is a manufacturing enterprise which produced men capable of performing social liabilities. John Dewey said education is the reconstruction or reorganization of experience which add to the meaning of experience and which increases to direct the course of subsequent experiences. The environment is different in different countries. It has also various aspects social, physical, cultural, economic, etc. Thinkers have defined education in terms of one or the other aspect of the environment. Who said that education is virtue? Socrates. Who said the complete development of individuality so that he can make an original contribution to human life according to his best capacity? Sir Percy Nunn. Evaluation involves much more than measurement. Evaluation के अंदर तमाम प्रोसेसेस जो हैं वो शामिल होते हैं जिसमें से measurement एक हिस्सा है evaluation का. Evaluation is considered to be the process by which is determined the degree and quality of achievement, appraisal in terms of purpose and within the framework of existing conditions. Evaluation, sometimes rather complex process, employs both objective and subjective activity. Evaluation involves the use of many types of instrument of appraisal. Studies of the environmental conditions to which children are exposed yield data concerning the behavior of the children that have predictive value for research studies in child development. University of Al Qarawiyyin was located in Fes, Morocco. This university originally was a mosque founded in 859 by Fatima al-Fihri, a woman. University of Al Qarawiyyin is considered the oldest continuously operating degree granting university in the world by the Guinness Book of World Records. It probably is an indisputable fact that the best measure of an individual's success in learning is his ability to apply what he has learned to actual life situation. Parents and children do not evaluate a teacher in terms of the marks achieved by him in his preparation for teaching, but rather as a result of his actual classroom effectiveness and attitude. The real test of learning achievement is successful practice. Many evaluation tools and techniques have been devised, some of which can be applied by the classroom teacher. Those special techniques that are intended to discover subtle personality attributes should be used only by psychologists and psychiatrists. Performance on an examination stimulates the interested learner towards further accomplishment. It helps him to discover the important elements of his study and wherein he has succeeded or failed. By means of measuring devices and the interpretation of results, a teacher is aided in his diagnosis of the individual weakness of his pupils and can adapt his teaching to them. The utilization of instrument of measurement should be an important part of teaching and learning. Exceptional children cannot be schooled with the normal children. What has been conducted to determine the factor of adjustment or maladjustment that are inherent in home living investigations? When a group of individuals lead life for obtaining collective objectives, society come into being. The evaluator is interested basically in gathering evidence which will indicate growth or change and which will serve as a springboard to further action. Many factors combine to determine what a person may be expected to do in the future, especially in the achievement of educational or vocational success. Tests of ability to learn and of power is in reasoning are important as predictors of the kind of learning situations into which a learner should be guided. Young people as well as their parents tend to become interested in one particular occupation regardless of personal aptitude because of the financial rewards that are attached to the favored occupation. Aptitude probably includes both inborn capacity and the effort of environmental conditions. Social values are transmitted to the next generation through general education. Al-Azhar University, located in Egypt, is the world's second oldest surviving degree granting institute, founded in 970 to 972. This university serves as a center of Arabic literature and Sunni Islamic learning. Nizamiya series of universities was established by Khwaja Nizam al-Mulk in the 11th century in what is now present-day Iran. The most celebrated of all the Nizamiya schools in Al-Nizamiya of Baghdad, established in 1065 in Dhul Qada and that in Zulqada and remains operational in Isfahan. Teachers of art seems to be in rather general agreement that there is a present no one test that measures aptitude in artistic performance. The behavior that results from the degree of successful functioning of this elusive combination of the elements of mental capacity would seem to give a measure of an individual's intelligence. In order to determine aims of education in Pakistan, basic ideas of Islamic ideology must be known. In Pakistani society, preference will be given to education and training of the individuals. ये था हमारा आज का तमाम कंटेंट. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह इस चैप्टर का बाकी हिस्सा आप लोगों के सामने पेश किया जाएगा. और वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दें और अपनी आरा का इजहार कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर कीजिए. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.